Hello everybody and welcome back to Fridge Raiders, the game where I have to rob the fridge in our house, if that makes any sense. So basically I have to sneak into our house, me and my dad. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so that's my dad. So I need to just go into our house and rob the fridge. And
I'm going to try and stop you.
Yeah, I have 5 lives. 1 was gone in the last episode. I got myself a diamond pickaxe. That is completely fair because he has enchanted arrows, Dad. So, yeah. And apparently it doesn't show my armor bars. I don't like that. Even though I've got 11 armor on right now. Yeah, so even though I've got that, it doesn't show it. Because of the grey line across the screen. And I'm sorry about the grey line, by the way. We'll fix that by the next episode. It was in the last episode. The 1000 level challenge. Where I got 2 levels so far. It might take me a while. But yeah, enough of that. Oh, I just saw myself on your screen. I don't know if you saw me. Oh, damn. Oh, no. I'm going to the prison. I'm putting myself in prison. Boom. And boom. There. Oh, no. There, perfect. Now you'll never get me. Ah! And you know where this takes me? Sorry we went a little quiet then. Don't know what happened. I need to make this jump. There we go. I am so bad at parkour.
And I am so bad at shooting these arrows.
No, you're not. It's so good. Where did my diamond pickaxe go?
I'm bad at shooting them, and you're good at dodging them.
I think
probably you.
Yeah, it's probably me because like you're really good with the bow.
No, I think you're just good at dodging them.
No, you're good with the bow. It's both. I'm really good at dodging, but you're really good with the bow, so it's like OMG factory. Wait, stop! You picked up my clownfish. Stop! Stop! You should pick up the clownfish.
Okay.
I need that clownfish. Otherwise, it's impossible to win. Sad face. Okay, go. No! I fell in the world full of salt.
Just seeing where you went. It's a bit sneaky. What's down here?
It's just like a random hole.
You! Oh, bad that way.
Wait! Hit me! Hit me up! I can't go up! I can't go up! I can't go up! Oh, sick. These poison arrows are so annoying. Ah! Hold! Hide! Boom! Sorry about that. I need to get out of here. Because I am poisoned. I'm gonna go upstairs. Now, I know all the escape routes and stuff. But first, I'm just gonna come in here in peace, and I'm gonna just grab something. Oh no, I can't. Dad, you're not allowed to go to the fridge like that. Because that's like too OP. I can't grab the fridge. I can't grab anything unless you shoot me. It's not very fair. Right, I need to go into here. Here. Hit dead. Another hit. Hello, hello. I'm at the other side of the corridor. Come back up, I'm at the other side. Come back up, I'm at the other side of the corridor. Come up the stairs. Please. Yay. Come get me. Now I'm in my room. Come get me. Now I'm in the kitchen.
How are you in the kitchen?
I don't know. I jumped out the window, then went in the front door.
Right, now you're gonna get it, mister.
Alright, let's see. What about if I drink a swiftness potion?
You're gonna need it.
It's really helpful, you can still hit me. Actually, I know a way in. Here. Where's my diamond pick? Where's my diamond pick? Zoimon pickaxe. That is a lot of holes. Where's the one? Hello. It's a little bit quick. I'm used to playing that Mario game where you can like side flip. What's it, Super Mario 64, but now I can't side flip in Minecraft. I should add that. Hey Dad, I'm in my room. Hello. Hey, why are you bashing up my room? What's that up to? What's that for? Right, I'm in the kitchen at 3, by the way. There you go, you play stars. Got a bit of food for my midnight feast. Once it's night. Grab a lot of food.
Grab a few arrows now, mate.
Or get out of here. Wait, I need to get that salmon. I need to get it. Nice.
Too quick.
Too slow. I'm at the fridge. Swiftness potion is really helping. Ah, not very much so. Wait, is it over? Oh, it's over already! Right, luckily I have another one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Grab it. Ah! Throw that away. I don't need that. Get my diamond pick. Where is it? Where is it? Right, grab a puffer fish. Blocks. I need blocks for my master plan. Hello. Bye bye. Oh, nearly.
Oh, too quick.
I'm so used to the Swiftness potion, it's amazing.
I'll get you once today, I'll be happy.
You have, you got me like 100 times.
And yet you're still nicking from the fridge.
Oh. How did you hit me then? That was lag. I blame lag. Oh no. Oh no. Bad, 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 bad. It's very bad. Very bad. I'm out. I look like I have a mustache.
How have I missed you there?
I don't know, but it looks like I have a mustache. Mustache, whatever you call it.
Mustache, yeah.
I'm like Sonic in this Swiftness potion. How long? 13 seconds. Come on.
I've got
Quickly.
about a minute left in this video to kill you.
Yeah.
Oh,
A minute.
doing a runner, are you?
Yeah. You gotta kill me 4 times to win. Right, now I'm going over it. I'm not going into the nether again because it gets me stuck. Ow! Why would I build up? That's so dumb. Oh my god, block lag. Why for block lag? What? I thought you couldn't shoot them at hyper arrows. Wait, do you think the rain will put me out? The poison, if you hit me. Do you think the rain will put me out of poison if you hit me? Oh yes, I have another Swiftness potion. Wait, let me check the, let me quickly check the fridge. Seriously.
Yeah, come and have a check. Go on.
Wait, where is... Got the clownfish. Hey! Hey! Oh, I should have known.
Sorry, son, I've got to get where I can.
Alright, bye. Hi.
How are you upstairs?
I'm not, I'm at the fridge. I'm downstairs. Ow! I'm like moving my body side to side as well. I think about half a minute and then we'll stop this. I'm gonna get a couple more pieces. No way around this house is so good. That's a bad idea. Hello, it's me, Mario. Born! Me, hello, 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 come and shoot me. Hello, 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 hello. Bye-bye. No! No.
So you've got away with it this time.
Where am I?
Sorry?
Where am I then?
You've got away with it this time.
Where am I? Okay, so I think that's going to be the end of this video.
Well played, son.
Well played, Dad. I hope you enjoyed
Not
this
really.
video. If you enjoyed, then definitely smash that like button and subscribe. That'd be awesome. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I'm just going to show you guys one more secret. If I go into this room by coming up the stairs and then parkouring over to here, ow, 1 second, then I made a hole, or a couple of holes, and there's one particular hole that I really like. If I come down this hole, I'm right next to the fridge. So yeah, that's amazing. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.